Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to LENOVO Yoga Tab 11. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Then go back to Xiaomi smartphone and click on all of those categories at the top. In them, click on those type of dots to choose all of your files from your category. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo and this audio file. When you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on Lenovo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Lenovo's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, choose Input Key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers from Xiaomi in correct order. And then hit Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. But if you see this kind of pop-up about ads, you need to select one of those options. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window. And as you can see, my file is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!